Good morning, students. In this class, let me teach you the difference between polite and impolite. Polite order or impolite order. So, polite request or impolite. There are two ways of expressing something. Polite request. The first one is, may I have an application form, sir? Give me an application form. The first one is polite request or polite order. This is impolite order. For example, you are going to the bank so as to open an account, SP account, and you want an application form to open an account, and you approach some officials over there, and if you are asking them, give me an application form, it is impolite, but it's not a respectable one. But you need to request them using this expression, may I have an application form, sir? This is the right way of saying. But some of us are simply saying, give me an application form. So you are instructing, that means you are asking from him in an impolite way or informal way, that is impolite. But we should always request them and we should say, could I have an application form, sir? May I have an application form, sir? This is the correct way of asking, but you should never say, give me an application form. Not only at the bank, wherever it is. For example, you are feeling so thirsty, you want to have a glass of water, you approach someone and you cannot ask them, give me a glass of water to drink. That means you are giving them an instruction or order to do that. Go and get me a glass of water. How can we say like this? It's not good. So, we should always use this expression. Could I have a glass of water, please? May I have a glass of water, please? If you don't mind, could I have a glass of water, please? We should always request them in a very polite and kind manner. For this purpose, we need to use this, may I have an application form? May I have a glass of water? May I have a ticket, please? May I have a change for rupees 100? May I have a pen, please? Like this we can use, but don't use this expression. It can be used with our friends, some of our close friends, colleagues, and in informal way we can use this, but it's a very formal way. We should know this basic difference, because some of the people are always using only the same expressions because they fail to learn this kind of new expressions. We should always be very polite and kind with someone. This is very, very important. Though we speak English very fluently, we should know how to behave with others in a very polite and kind way. I hope that this expression must be very useful for you. And I want you to use only these expressions wherever it is applicable, wherever it is needed. But with our friends, colleagues and family members, you need not use this expression. This is only very formal way, but this kind of expressions can be used with our close friends or our colleagues or with our family members. You can use them. Give me your pen. You can use like this. May I have your pen, please? This expression you have to use with an invigilator in the examination hall. For instance, your pen is not writing well, so you used to borrow the pen from the invigilator. In that case, you can say, excuse me, sir, may I have your pen, please? Because my pen is not writing properly. You should not tell him, give me your pen. It is impolite, but some of the students or people are using like this also. I have come across many people using like this, but it's not good to use in that manner. So we need to adjust our language in accordance with the people. So this is the formal and informal. This one is formal and this one is informal. In the formal expression is very, very important. With our higher authorities, we should use this kind of formal expression. With our friends, family members, colleagues, we can use this informal expression. So this is a very important thing that you need to bear in your mind. Whenever you come across this kind of situation, I want you to use it correctly so that the people will consider that you are good at English, and you will also be respected by others when you give respect to them. So, I think you have understood this. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next class.